shit sounds sick, man.
What's up, guys? So, oh shit, let me get some better lighting. What's up, guys? So today we're just installing our intake on our boy Peyton's Nismo Juke Nismo, and yeah, so this video we're just gonna show you how to install it and give you some noises, show you how it works and everything, and yeah, so let's go. Just get some clips of the box.
Ooh, bussin'.
Bussin', bro.
Bussin'.
Yes, sir.
Yup. GTR killer. So, here it is.
Here's the comparison, real quick.
And with the engine one, he shouldn't need a tune to run it. But if he wants like maximum gains, it's recommended he gets a tune. But it should run just fine without a tune. The ECU will recalibrate itself. And so you basically just take out this little air inlet pipe, remove the stock air box. There's a couple of clips, clamps, worm clamps, and then the whole thing should come out. Thing looks like ass. Damn.
You gotta keep that's going back in there, bro.
Oh shit. Okay, never mind. That thing is sick.
Let's open it up.
Yeah, comparison. Oh.
Honestly, it isn't that bad.
Not, yeah, no, that's
pretty clean.
Still pretty clean. Compare with the new engine one. They supply you the new filter.
Yeah.
But we making some crazy sounds.
Tighten that bad boy up. Time to install the sensor.
Yeah, we don't need a sensor. It doesn't do anything.
Just gets rid of check
Oh
engine
shit,
lights.
that's big. How big that is.
Oh yeah, we got it. We totally know what we're doing. Isn't that right? Sensor reveal. Ooh. Look at that bad boy. Putting in there. Whew.
You excited for these noises, Peyton?
Oh man, no.
Can be bricked up.
You don't even know I'm already in the waistband.
Oh no!
Slap of approval, ain't it, huh? So let's get this. He's hopping in.
Oh no, you're good.
You totally know what we're doing.
We don't need a sensor. It doesn't do anything.
Let's see this. There we go.
Yeah, first try.
So yeah, we're kind of idiots. Kind of put the sensor upside down, but that's fine. All right.
Whoa, wait, you got a turbo though?
Yo, this guy's pumped, bro. Look at this dude. He's hyped. Oh.
Look at the extra stride.
Yeah, bro. Look at that walk.
Feeling himself.
Yes, sir.
Nah, what?
Oh, that sounds sick.
Yo, my man's is boosted.
Oh, shit. He's gonna start driving like me, bro.
What do you think, Fred?
Shit, I'm gonna have to get a new filter myself, bro.
Oh.
I mean, this bitch spooling. Oh, shit, the fucking bags. Alright, so we ended the night with a little cruise. Intake on the Nismo Juke sounds sick. I know you guys heard it. It sounds real good, and I'm just catch you guys in the next video. So yeah, have a great night, and shoot, thanks for watching.
dropped them. We dropped the mounting bracket.
Damn. Boy.
Well, it's